Getting my son Steven ready for school. Watching TV early in the morning. Getting him ready for school, waiting for the school bus. Right, Steven? We're getting ready for school. Huh? And it's raining outside, so he's going to completely be upset. Because when it rains, he starts crying. So, we'll sit here. See? Steven, baby boy, it's okay. He's got his little Jack Skellington jacket on. And it's raining. We need the rain anyway. Steven, don't cry, baby. It's okay. I know. Hi, baby. It's okay, baby boy. I know. You don't like the rain. I know. It's okay, big boy. I know. The grass is so bad around here because it hasn't rained. Maybe my grass will grow again. Steven, say hi.